Welcome to the top best. The best Beehive Starter Kit is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding investments a budding apiarist can make, offering a comprehensive solution to kickstart your beekeeping journey right out of the box, ensuring you have all the essential components and tools needed to establish your very first colony and begin the fascinating process of honey production and pollination right in your backyard. Number 5. BeeCastle 10-Frame Langstroth Beehive. Introducing our premium beehive, coated in natural beeswax for exceptional durability and waterproofing. This coating saves you time and effort, eliminating the need for painting. Assembly is a breeze thanks to pre-cut dovetail joints and pre-drilled holes. The tight-fitting design ensures a sturdy and supportive structure for your bees. Crafted from solid and durable pine wood for the frames and cedar wood for the boxes, this hive provides a safe and long-lasting home for your colony. Our hive adheres to standard Langstroth dimensions, ensuring compatibility with other equipment. It includes 2 deep boxes and 1 medium box for ample space. This comprehensive starter kit includes everything you need: covers, excluder, bottom board, reducer, mouse guard, hardware, boxes, and 30 frames with foundations. We are committed to sustainability. Both the hive boxes and frames are constructed from responsibly sourced, FSC-certified wood. What we like. This option offers a durable and waterproof beeswax coating, saving you the hassle of painting. Its superior design with pre-cut dovetail joints ensures easy and tight assembly. If you're looking for a convenient and robust hive made from sustainable materials, this is a great choice. What people say. The 100% beeswax coating is a standout feature, providing a natural and attractive environment for my bees. The construction is solid and durable, ensuring the hive will withstand the elements for years to come. The hive and components look to be pretty solid. Plenty of wax on the boxes and parts. The joints are solid and the assembly was very easy, and the wax made the seam seal up very well. The quality of the wood and the finish with beeswax was exceptional. All parts were included, and I'm now ready to start the split when the weather improves. The dovetail joints for the hive boxes were fantastic, and the screws really provided an exceptionally secure connection. The inclusion of the mouse guard and the queen excluder makes this hive an all-inclusive solution. Number 4. Beehive Starter Kit 10-Frame Bee Boxes and Frames. This comprehensive starter kit provides everything a beginner needs to begin their beekeeping journey. It includes all the essential components for setting up a thriving hive. The kit features a ready-to-use deep brood box, expertly coated with 100% beeswax for optimal bee health. Its dimensions are designed to provide ample space for your colony. You'll also receive unassembled frames crafted from high-quality pine wood. These come with black food-grade plastic foundation sheets, also dipped in 100% beeswax for safety and durability. This kit is a complete solution, including a wax-coated bottom board, telescoping top cover, inner cover, queen excluder, and entrance reducer. All designed for a functional and secure hive. Constructed with durable, wax-coated cedar wood and food-grade plastic foundation, this hive ensures the health and safety of your bees and their honey. It's both stylish and built to last. Beyond the hive components, an extensive set of beekeeping tools is included. This ensures you have everything necessary for hive management, from smoking and cleaning to queen marking. What we like. This kit comes with an already assembled deep brood box, making setup quicker. It also includes a comprehensive set of beekeeping tools to get you started right away. If you're a beginner who wants a complete package with essential tools and a stylish hive, this is the one for you. What people say. Assembling the frames was a simple, straightforward, and satisfying experience because they're so finely crafted. The whole hive smells phenomenal, like fresh-cut pine and beeswax. No chemical scent. Nothing artificial or fake, and the wax coating on the baseboard, entrance block, brood box, top cover, and lid, is all phenomenally well done. The main box, a standard size 8-frame deep hive box, comes fully assembled. Dovetail joints and with screws are tight, and the universal Langstroth sizing means it will work with other equipment as the apiary grows, including additional 8-frame supers once you start stacking them on top. Number 3. BeeCastle 8-Frame Langstroth Beehive. Experience superior longevity with our fully beeswax-coated hives. This deep soaking process creates a protective layer, making it more durable than other waxed options and saving you the hassle of painting. Putting together your new hive is a breeze thanks to pre-cut dovetail joints and pre-drilled holes. The tight-fitting dovetail design ensures a strong and stable structure for your bees. Crafted from stable cedar wood, this hive resists shrinking, expanding, and warping. It provides excellent insulation, keeping your bees comfortable and safe year-round. Our 8-frame hive adheres to standard Langstroth dimensions, ensuring compatibility with other equipment. It includes 2 deep boxes and 1 medium box for ample space. Get everything you need to start your apiary journey. This kit includes all essential components, from covers and bottom boards to frames and foundations. Rest assured knowing that our hive boxes and frames are constructed from FSC-certified wood, reflecting our commitment to sustainable forestry. What we like. Experience enhanced durability with a thicker, full beeswax coating that deeply penetrates the wood. Crafted from stable cedar wood, it offers excellent insulation for your bees. If you prefer a slightly smaller, 8-frame configuration and prioritize maximum protection and comfort for your bees, this hive is an excellent option. What people say. These are well-made hives and have a nice dovetail system in the corners of the boxes that fit nicely together. Solid boxes and the walls are thick, sturdy and wax-covered as it should be. Comes with a plastic queen excluder, a bottom brood box, 2 honey boxes, a roof, and an entrance limiter. Highly coated in wax so you don't have to paint or stain it. The kit comes with just about everything you need for starting a hive. Comes with 2 deep brood boxes and 1 medium honey super. Includes 16 brood frames, 8 for each brood box, and 8 honey super frames. Bottom board is reversible, summer-winter, and has entrance reducer and mouse guard. Also has inner top cover and galvanized metal outer top cover. Number 2. BeeCastle 10-frame Langstroth Beehive. Experience superior durability and waterproofing with our full beeswax coating. It deeply penetrates the wood, offering a protective layer that lasts. This means less maintenance for you and a better home for your bees. Setting up your new hive is a breeze. With pre-cut dovetail joints and pre-drilled holes, assembly is quick and secure. The tight-fitting design ensures a strong and stable structure for your bees. Crafted from high-stability cedar wood, this hive resists shrinking, cracking, and warping. It provides excellent insulation, keeping your bees comfortable and safe in any season. Our hive adheres to standard Langstroth dimensions, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. It includes both deep brood boxes and medium super boxes for your beekeeping needs. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started. From covers and excluders to frames and foundations, it's a complete package for new and experienced beekeepers alike. Rest assured, our hive components are made from FSC-certified wood. This commitment to sustainability means you're choosing a product that's good for your bees and the environment. What we like. This kit provides 2 medium boxes, offering more space for honey production. It features a thicker, full beeswax coating for superior durability and a superior dovetail design for easy, strong assembly. If you're looking to maximize your honey yield and appreciate a well-constructed, long-lasting hive, this is an ideal selection. What people say. The pre-drilled holes made it easy and only 1 frame ever got a little crack from the nails. The tongue and groove design only allow for it to be assembled one way. The standout is the precision of the cuts, and how close the tolerances are. This is quality. Number 1. Beehive 10-frame Starter Kit. Experience unmatched durability with our thick, full beeswax coating. This expert process ensures superior waterproofing and creates an ideal environment for honey production, saving you the hassle of painting. Crafted from premium cedar and pine, these hives offer exceptional resistance to the elements. They provide excellent insulation, ensuring a comfortable and safe home for your bees all year round. Easily monitor your colony's health and productivity through the transparent observation window. Its ventilation design promotes airflow, contributing to a healthier hive and better honey quality. This kit features standard Langstroth dimensions, offering ample space for your bees. Its compatibility with most beekeeping equipment makes it a convenient choice for any beekeeper. Setting up your new hive is a breeze thanks to pre-cut dovetails and pre-drilled holes. Enjoy a tighter, more stable structure with easy, screw-free assembly. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started, from the hive boxes and frames to essential accessories like a queen excluder. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your beekeeping needs. What we like. Monitor your bees effortlessly with the integrated transparent observation window, allowing you to check on their progress without disturbance. Constructed from premium cedar and pine, it ensures excellent insulation and durability. If you value the ability to easily observe your hive's activity and want a well-ventilated, safe environment for your bees, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Love the fully waxed boxes that keep that natural look. And the observation windows are fantastic. Super nice. My daughter and I put it together in about an hour. We pre-drilled and put screws in the box frames just to make sure they won't come apart. But the fit was so snug, probably did not need to. Built solid and out of great material. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.